Chairmo of Nigerian Union of Journalists (NUJ) FCT chapter, Grace Ike, don celebrate her 40th birthday with big party wey her colleagues, dignitaries and well-wishers for tanda gidigba. The event wey shele for NUJ Chapel for Jabi, Abuja, bring together media professionals, government people and friends wey come jolly and honour Grace for all the work she don do for journalism and media development for Naija. For her speech, Grace come thank everybody wey support am over the years and come also chook mouth on top how she go continue to fight for press freedom and quality journalism.
I'm seeing NUJ FCT in the next 3 years, you say, is going to be the envy of many other councils. And we will be at the top. Remember, NUJ FCT is in the Federal Capital Territory, the city of Nigeria. And we should set the pace. And when we are setting the pace, welfareism, ethical journalism, we talk about accountability, transparency, and priority is welfareism is the hallmark of, for me, my leadership as the #1 journalist in NUJ FCT. So this is just the beginning. By God's grace, it's not by my power, it's by the grace of God. The little we have, we'll give back. The problem I have is the past administration not giving account. They are still, impersonating the council. They are still moving around as signatory of the NUJ FCT, which for me is criminal. It is not logical. No right-thinking man will still have his signature appended as the chairman of a council. You are not a chairman or a secretary to. They are at large. You call any of them, they don't want to sign out. So for me, it's impersonation. It is criminal. And this is where we actually have to take it up as journalists. We need to do the right thing. If we are holding federal government, those in service accountable, we must also hold us ourselves accountable and give account. That goes a long way to say we are watchdog of society. They are still signatory to the NUJ account. That is problematic for me.
The jollification get keynote addresses, goodwill messages and entertainment, and jolly time go dey for everybody wey at ten d mind for a long time. As Grace Ike, the NUJ Chairmo, enter this new phase for her life, her colleagues and supporters show confidence say she go still make impacts for the media industry and beyond. Tori people and well-wishers come praise her leadership and come chook mouth on top how she dey work for Tori people welfare and how she dey promote unity for NUJ. Dem come also praise her dedication to ethical journalism and press advocacy.
40 years of great achievements, I would say. 40 is an age that you get to that you're not afraid to say it as it is. And being the fact that she's the youngest chairman ever of the council, she's touched lives. She has brought about change when it comes to journalism, in respect to welfareism. She's concerned about the welfare of every journalist. She's a go-getter. She's a mother. She's compassionate. She's hardworking. And she stops at nothing but to get everything done and everybody going. So I just want to wish her a happy birthday and welcome her to the 4th floor, and also to let her know that it's a new phase, it's the beginning of a new phase. So as she steers the affairs of the NUJ Council, God will be with her, God will grant her wisdom and continue to honor and uphold her in Jesus' name.
She's a woman of character, she's resourceful, she's intelligent, she's a goal-getter, she's an achiever. She knows what she wants and she knows what to do and what to do at every given time. So she has impacted a lot of people. You see, for the very first time, I learned journalists will give out to others. As chairman of the House of Reps Press Corps on 2 different occasions, Lady Grace led journalists to go and give to the orphanage during the end of year. Journalists went to celebrate with orphans and gave to them workplace compensation. When workers, as a worker, you are supposed to be enrolled under the NHIS, because the law says that when you have 5 staff in your employee, you enroll them in any other NHIS. What does that do? As your staff, if your staff is involved in any form of accident in the course of work, you inform NHIS, and NHIS take over responsibility of treating that person. If it results to disability, NHIF take responsibility of paying that person at least some stipends that will keep the person going. No journalist in Nigeria today enjoy that because we have not been enrolled into it by our employers. And I discussed that with Lady Grace and her ESCO, and she took it upon herself, and I know that they have visited the NHIS, they have had discussions with them.
Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. Oyifemi Onosimwa for TMC News.